What are the levels of responsibility of an individual? May responsibility tayo sa self, may responsibility tayo sa others that we work with, and sa organization that we serve. So, ang unang level ng responsibility is yung personal responsibility. In essence, sagot natin ang sarili natin. Hindi pwedeng boss ko kasi, leader ko kasi, or organization ko kasi. And then, yung susunod, yung responsibility natin sa iba. Yung responsibility natin sa community. So, if you're a member of a community, just like in TikTok, there's a community. Our responsibility is to comment there honestly and respectfully. And then the third is our responsibility to our organization. We, as part of an organization, we do have responsibility towards that organization because we signed up for an accountability. We signed up for a job, a role. So, ang question dyan, yung po bang organization ko, meron din po ba siyang responsibility sa akin? And the very clear answer is yes. Your organization also has that responsibility to you to take care of you, to take care of your welfare, as long as kaya nung organization.